There's my tree. Star. Your star. There's one guy right there.
There's one right here.
Yeah, there's one guy right there.
Bring you a plate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the birds on each side. That's nice. I did have other.
Okay, it's December 16th. Whew, it's Canada. Get that rain and snow. Snow and rain. Us are out.
There's no other way to put it. So I have a special message for you. Two things, you do not have to make this decision right away. You don't know, I own a speakers network. There's actually 5 other Indigenous speakers that work with me now. I would love to do some work with you because we got to fine tune a few things, but then if you'd be interested, I so want you as part of my network. Because my audiences need to hear your message. So that is not a time-limited offer. So if you want to say yes now, great. If you're not ready for a year, that's fine. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready to help you. Okay? Out of the park.